Hi everyone. Last class we had done significant figures. So there we had done the half of part of significant figures. So today the remaining part of significant figures we are going to complete. Actually we learned what is significant figures yet. The application part of significant figures we haven't done yet. So we will do now the application part of significant figures, then we'll move on from this topic. So let's see, today specifically we are going to do rounding off. How we'll round off significant figures, how we'll do addition of significant figures, how we'll do subtraction, multiplication and division. That is what we are going to do in today's class. If you'll see, rounding off is again important, like how you are rounding off. The main topics, if you'll see, the crux of this topic is what rounding off itself. Like how you're doing rounding off in addition, subtraction and multiplication. So those things we are going to see in today's class. Let's see some few as usual. I wrote few definitions here. Calculation of what? No, not calculation directly. Significant part 2 I wrote here, right? Rounding off, right? So these are the rules we can say, or like rounding off how we can do rounding. So the question is given here, what? A rounding off what two significant figures, right? So 4.82. Okay, so 4.82, if you will see, with only two digits should come, right? Till 8 it should come, right? 4.8. So 8 till 8 they are asking. So afterwards it is what? It is less than 5, right? After 8 is what? It is less than 5. If it is less than 5, right? 5 is greater. 5 is greater than what? 2. So we can say it will be 4.8 itself. Now see, it is greater than 5, right? Greater than 5. So we can say 3.8. Now how the problem comes? 3.75. 3.75. If it is 3.75 means what? Equal to 5. Equal to what? 5. If it is equal to 5, right, the next digit is not 0, right? If it is not 0, no, then you can increase it. You can increase to 3.9. Now 4.563. 4 again, rounding off to till what? 0 only, to till 2 only, right? 4. What is the question here? 4. Yeah. So 4.563, right? So only two digits we are supposed to do. So after a 6 there is 5, right? 5 is equal. After that there is not 0, there is some digit, so we can say it will be increase. It will increase 4.7. after that there is no 0, right? That's why we increase. Now here if you will see, it is what? 3.750. 3.750. So 0 is there, right? So what we'll have to check here. If it is 0, after 5 it is what? 0. So we can say 7 is what? Just after one digit is what? Odd. Odd means it will increase. So we can say 3.8. Now see, 3.650. So 5 is there, right? 5 is equal, but after that it is 0. So we can consider what? 6. 6 as what? Even number. If it is even, then same. Even and same. So we can say 3.6 only. Now here is what? 4.352. 4.352, right? Here is how much? 5. After that what? Non-zero. Non-zero means what? Obviously it will increase, right? So we can say 4.4. 350. Now is what? Odd. Odd means what? It will increase. 4.4. Hope so you guys got it. So till here we will see this what? Rounding off. Now we are seeing significant figures calculation, right? Calculation of significant, if you will see, the result of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of measured value cannot be more accurate than the least accurate measurement. You are supposed to go with what? Final result cannot be more precise than the least what? Least precise measurement. Final value of the final value will not be what? More precise than what? The least value, which is the least value which is more precise. That is what the meaning of that, right? Addition and subtraction. The result of addition, subtraction must have the same number of decimal place as present in the value of the least decimal place. Important point. You'll understand by numericals. Let's do 1 2 numericals in this, then you'll understand properly. Let's take one question is 33 plus 3.11 plus 0.313. Now what? After decimal, how many digits are there? Least is this. So 1. So we'll consider what? 1 only. That's it. So let's write all 33, then one decimal, right? Then 11, and then we can say 0.313. So 3, and then what? 1 and 1, 2, then it is how much? 7, and then how much it is? 6, and then how much it is? 46.723. What you are supposed to take after decimal? Only 1, right? What is the question here? The result of addition and subtraction must have the same number of decimal present in the value with the least decimal places. So least decimal place is this, correct? So you should have only 1. So what you will write now? Think. So after this it is what? 2 less than 5. So we can say directly 46 point what? 46 point. We can write here. So it is less than. So directly we can say what? 46.7, right? Let's do the next question. Next question, if you will see, let's try this question. Question number 2, if you will see, that is right now 3.1421 plus 0.241 0.241 plus 0.09. If you'll add this all, 3.1421 and then 0.241, 0.09, right? So 1, 3 and 17, 1, 4, right? So we need how much? Minimum is 2, right? We need till here, right? So let's see till here. If you'll see here is what? 5, less than 5. Less than 5 means what? It is going to be 7 only. So 3.47. Hope so you guys got it. Understood, no? Just after that you check that if it is greater, less, then you can check from that. So this was all about addition. Now we are going to do what? Even subtraction also happens. The same thing you are supposed to do with the least decimal. Now multiplication. Multiplication and division, right? That too. Okay, let me write it. So it will take more time. The same rules also in multiplication and division also you will apply. Let's see one question, then you will understand what I am trying to say you. Least precision, right? That should be the main point. There also it was. So let's take this and then multiply it by 2, 3. We'll multiply it. Then you will get how much? 8, 0. How 8? Yeah, 8, 0, and then we can how 8 and then not 0. 18 and then 3 zeros are 0, but 1 is there. Okay, whatever. I'll write it from calculator. Whatever the decimal comes here, that I'll write. So you guys do it. I am not going to do. 142.06 multiplied by 0.23. So that comes around 30. If you do the calculation in calculator, even by hand also, the same thing you are going to get 32.67 6738, right? 32.6738 8. So that is the answer. But what you are supposed to least precise is what? This one, right? So you are supposed, what is the significant number here? 2. So you should go with what? 2 only. After that 6, 7, right? So obviously it will increase, right? Just after that. So 6, 7. So we can say here you can write 33 significant. 33 is the answer, right? So same significant digit as of this. That's it. Hope so you guys got it. Let's see next question. Next question, if you will do, we can do what? 0.90 divided by 4.26. So what is the least significant digit here? Here is 2. So that should be the answer, right? Like significant digit after see how many is there? 2. So 2 should be the answer. Let me again calculate from there, from the laptop, like mobile. It is easy now. Divided by 4.26. So the answer is going to come around 0.21 1267 okay 606. So that is the answer we got here. But we want what? Minimum we need this one, right? Like if you see, we need this. That should be the precision, right? That is the least here, right, for us. So we can say 2. Like, so we can say till 2.1 only we can do. Till what? 2.1. So 2.1, if you will see, then what will be the answer? Think 2 significant, right? Anyway, it is going to be 2.1 after that. So 1 only. So 0.1. This is significant. Here is also 2. Here is also what? 2. So 0.21. 0.21. That is multiplication and what? Division about. Let's see few more questions. If you will see, area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle where length is 1.203 centimeter and breadth is 1.5 centimeter. So from here, one thing we can say, significant digit should be 2, right? That is what the main concept is. So let's multiply area of length into breadth, right? Length into breadth. So now you guys multiply with again mobile. And now I'll you guys do multiply. I'm not going to do. So we can do what? 1.5 multiplied by 1.203. So 1.08, 1.8045. So we should get significant is what? 2 only. So we got 8. After that it is what? 0. After that, if it is 0, then it is going to be what? Same, right? So 1.8, and before that even, right? So 1.8 is the answer. Hope so you guys got it. Achha, one more thing, if constant 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 5, that will not, we are not going to consider, right? So till here you guys see, we'll see in the next class some other topics, right? Fine. So we complete this significant figures properly now.